I like to take off the bulk of the eyeshadow with soaking some cotton pads with either a makeup remover or micellar water. Soak. So when I have a soaked cotton pad, I'm just gonna rest it on the eye, allow it to soak in, break down a little bit of the makeup, and then gently, bam. Going to do the other eye. It's a good thing I got all the glitter and it's not going all around my face.
I use an angled brush to get contour. I learned this in one of the videos I watched on YouTube. We usually go like this, like we suck our cheeks in and just go down that line, but actually that's too low. Instead, you go just where your cheekbones end. So for me, it's here, and I try and draw a line there. Because if I followed where the line is, if I suck my cheeks in, it would be here. Then my face would look like it's just sagging and longer than it actually is. Just look for the edge of your cheekbone and contour there.
So I take my toner. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow or Tight Toner. I use toner because it evens out my skin tone. It removes all the excess oil and dirt and has added vitamins and minerals that your skin needs to cleanse it more or to purify even more.
Now that we're at the eye makeup part, I switch to a little bit of coconut oil. It's like a tiny little thing I take with me as well. And I warn you, this is not going to be pretty. So I use it to soften up the mascara. And I really do rub it in there. That feels good. It comes off so much easier when you have a little coconut oil.
Ayan. So, gumagamit ako ng cleansing balm. I use cleansing balm kasi parang for me, it's easier to wipe off the makeup of my face. Yun mo yun, buong mukha na, rather than the micellar alone, micellar water alone, kasi parang mata lang, and then hugasan mo ulit yung mukha mo, ano mo yun. Pero ito, ay cleansing balm, actually, natatanggalin ng halos lahat. So, favorite ko siyang gamitin pang remove ng makeup. So, yun lang. Ayan, malis na yung mukha ko. Contact lens na lang.
Next, I'm gonna contour my face just a bit. I should be using a bronzer, but I don't have a cream one. So my alternative is this. I'm using Anastasia's Velvet Matte Lipstick. This is how it looks, their Velvet Matte Lipstick. So when you use a cream bronzer or the lipstick, it makes it more natural and it's easier to blend on the skin. This will enhance like just my natural features to lift it a little bit. There you have it.
I use Issey & Co.'s Eyeliner Duo, so it's like that. And basically I put on my eyeliner just on the ends, on the tip, and the other tip. If I get this wrong, I'm gonna have to do it again. So let's go. This is a weird angle, look at that. Then draw a triangle, and as you can see, it's kind of not filled in, and just fill it in. So the next step is to go on in the inner corner. This one is just like a lucky strike or whatever. Sometimes it ends up good, sometimes it ends up bad. So make sure to have like a cotton bud ready. You make like a little triangle. Basically, you just extend your eye. That's it.
For eyes, I like to keep it simple. I just use the same bronzer I used earlier, and I get a fluffy blending brush and just apply it on my crease. For a wash of color, I want to make it cohesive. That's why I'm using my bronzer as eyeshadow.
So I use Kiehl's. I'm really a fan of Kiehl's in their Calendula line. Smell to very stress reliever. I like it kasi my skin's always stressed from all the makeup, hair, styling, net products na pupunta sa face ko. Every time I use this, feels calming and soothing. Huwag kang maging madamot sa face mo.
That is my skincare routine. I just drink a lot of water and it helps. My skin's very low maintenance. Thank God. I drink more or less about 6 liters of water a day. That's my secret. Yes, stay hydrated. It's good for your skin.
And just go out with your natural beauty, with your natural self.
Thank you for having me preview. Bye!